Well, it was a long campaign. As you know, judicial candidates, we file to run for office in January. All the rest of the candidates don't have to file until March. So we started in January, and it's been 11 months coming down to this point. So it's been a long, grueling campaign. I can't complain, though. There's a lot of nice people that are out there. There's a lot of people that showed a lot of support for me, and I appreciate all of those people that are helpful and wanted to, be part of it. So they're very grateful to them.
What's it like for you to have to constantly reapply for your job like that?
Well, the good thing is that a judicial term is 6 years instead of 4 years, or 2 years if you're assemblyman, like Mr. Oscarson is. So we get a little bit longer of a break, but I think that maybe there should be some other process involved once you get elected to the office. Maybe the Supreme Court or somebody could be involved in an evaluation process as to whether or not you should stay there as a judicial officer or not. But it's all about the people, and who they want in office, so they have a right to vote on who they want. So I'm good with that process.
So have you been going out there on the campaign trail and meeting people?
I have. I got to work, because I'm still in court so many hours a day and taking care of administrative stuff at the court. But then in my spare time, when I'm not working, I'm out meeting people, talking to people, and going to campaign events, going to candidate nights, going to whatever it is that I need to get out and talk to the voting public.
What did you like about the candidate nights or meet and greets, and was there anything particular you would like to see in the future?
Well, I think that a couple of them, they tried a little different format this time than what was usual. They had some pre-screened questions, they limited the time on them and stuff like that so that, nobody was running away with big old long answers. And I think that there was some that were really good. I think that there was a lot of good information. I think that if the people took the time to go to the candidate nights and events that were held, they should have got a lot of education about their candidates and what they were running for and what their strong points and weak points were and why they would either want to or not want to vote for that person.
Because that is important, isn't it? Instead of just reading the billboards, finding out what they're really like, what they're really talking about.
Right. And a lot of elections boil down to name recognition. So it seems like the candidate that has his name out there the most, it sticks in people's minds. But I think that a lot of the voters this time actually went out and did their homework. They took time to look at the candidates, think about who they were actually voting for. So hopefully the election will be a better election this time then.
You're here at Mountain Falls, having a party. How's it feeling for you?
Yeah, I came down to see who all was here, support James Oscarson and some of the other candidates that are here. I don't know. I'm just waiting. It's probably the longest part of the whole 11 months is the waiting for the final tally on all the votes. So.